So Xiaomi has logged the launch date, revealed the design, and even dropped real camera samples of their Xiaomi 17 Ultra. And we've also got the first real hands-on look of the phone here. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is launching on December 25 in China, and Xiaomi is clearly positioning it as a no-compromise camera flagship. The entire focus of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is its camera system. Xiaomi is using a brand new 1-inch OmniVision Light Hunter 1050L camera sensor and an f1.67 aperture. This sensor also supports low-fick technology, which improves dynamic range and reduces highlight clipping. Design-wise, Xiaomi has confirmed a flat display with extremely thin bezels and a clean triple camera setup layout on the back. There will be this very huge circular camera module at the rear side. From the front, the 17 Ultra looks almost identical to the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, and it's very likely using the same display panel. The phone will be available in black, white, and a new starry green finish that uses mineral particles in the rear panel to create a subtle metallic texture. Xiaomi has already shared real camera samples, and they show accurate colors, strong contrast, controlled highlights, and noticeably better low-light performance shots, as you can see by yourself here. These camera samples of Xiaomi 17 Ultra look incredible. This does not look like marketing tuning. These results are actually really shocking. Now, the most surprising detail is the thickness. Xiaomi confirmed the 17 Ultra measures just 8.29 millimeters, making it the thinnest Ultra phone the company has ever released. For comparison, the previous Ultra was 9.4 millimeter thick. That's a significant reduction, especially for a device built around a 1-inch camera sensor. And as discussed before, Xiaomi even teased a quick hands-on video to emphasize just how slim the device looks in real life. Performance wise, it's going all in here as well. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, delivering top tier performance and efficiency. Alongside, the main camera leaks suggest a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto and upgraded Leica tuning across the entire camera system. Xiaomi is clearly aiming to dominate mobile photography again, not just match competitors. This is going to be a really exciting device. The camera hardware, image processing, build quality, and then design balance, everything looks top notch in this beast. Xiaomi 17 Ultra will be officially launched on December 25th in China, which is just 2 days far from now. Let's see what happens. And that's all from my side. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below about this Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.